Whether you like it or not, Ripple XRP is going to be the #1 crypto in this space of time. It is going to happen whether we like it or not. So we're going to be talking about a very interesting article. The price crosses the 66-cent mark. First time in 6 months. 3 signals traders must watch. A very interesting article in which I'm going to dissect and go into. We talk predominantly about XRP news, actually only XRP news, because I think it's the best one out there for absolutely parabolic investment opportunities and to make money, ultimately, to fill the bags up with money so you can retire early. So Ripple price rose by 13.45% over the weekend, hitting a 6-month high at 66 cents on September the 29th. Una Pelsia, senior research analyst at the Into the Block, stated that there is a lot of anticipation around XRP's launch of the native RLUSD stablecoin. Analysts at BitGet Exchange have hinted that the rally may advance further towards a 75-cent level in the weeks ahead, and no doubt it is going to happen. We got a massive volume every day for the last few days in the $3 billion kind of realm. The picture down below, Ripple taken over the digital realm. It is happening right under our nose. So why is Ripple price going up? Welcome back to the video. Thanks everyone for subscribing, and people new to the video and you enjoy the video, subscribe and make sure you hit the notification button where we talk about all the articles which are broadcasted and we dissect them, and I'll broadcast my opinion about what's going on. So XRP price has skyrocketed 13.45% over the weekend, reaching a 6-month peak of 66 cents on September the 29th. Market analysts hint that the rally could be linked to a whale accumulation ahead of the launch of their RLUSD stablecoin. So the whales are getting in there early before it skyrockets. So these guys have a substantial amount of money and they wouldn't spend $1 on something they don't believe in which is going to make them money. So there's no better time to invest as to now. The best site is Bitunigs platform I keep on buying XRP on. It's easy to use, very secure. You get $5,500 worth of benefits depending on how much you trade. It's got a global usage, 1.3 million, 200 million traded every 24 hours. It's a highly recommended, and the link is below the video. So I would be buying XRP today before it skyrockets, before the SEC decide that they really have no case. So the RLUSD launch and ETF plan is behind XRP rally into the block analyst. So Ripple rose 13.45% over the weekend, hitting a 6-month high of 66 cents on September 29th. So something is accumulating. A storm is coming. The rally has been linked to several key factors, including whale accumulation and developments around Ripple stablecoin RLUSD, as well as plans to launch an XRP spot ETFs by the US-based fund managers. So one significant catalyst is the excitement around Ripple's RLUSD, a USD peg stablecoin. So RLUSD is in private beta testing on XRP ledger Ethereum, and its launch is expected to bolster Ripple's ecosystem, especially in cross-border payments. So down below, there is a lot of anticipation around XRP's launch of their RLUSD stablecoin and how it integrates into the DeFi, which is a decentralized financial space. If that takes off, we could see a major boost in XRP's utility and adoption. We're seeing it already globally. So there are also ongoing efforts to create an XRP ETF, which could be, have a significant impact on XRP's performance. So the promise of regulatory compliance, regular audits, and a transparency has attracted investors' interest, which likely contributed to XRP's recent price jump. So additionally, rumors surrounding Changpeng Zhao's or ZCZ early release from prison on September 27 may have further fueled the rally. So CZ, the founder of Binance, is a prominent figure in the crypto world, and his early release sent ripple across the market. So that might be one of the key factors in which is driving the price up. And there's been a recent massive volume, around $3 billion in the last 24 hours and last couple of days. So the chart above shows that XRP price rally close coincided with CZ's prison release. So this is a big guy, and he is extremely interested in XRP. As of Friday, September 27th, XRP had traded as low as 58 cents. But since the Binance co-founder regained his freedom, XRP gained 13.45% within 48 hours, as raced to a new 6-month peak at 66 cents. While CZ is banned from managing Binance or any other publicly traded company, the billionaire is still controlling significant holdings within the world's largest exchange and has shown interest to invest in new projects within the cryptocurrency sector. And no doubt he has his eyes on XRP. He is going to make it rise. The surge in overmarket activity, media buzz, and improved sentiment that heralds CZ's release may have contributed to XRP's ongoing price rally. So the US presidential candidates hinting at friendly crypto regulations. Furthermore, the perceived improvements in regulatory landscape has likely played a role. Both major US presidential candidates have taken a more favorable stance towards crypto regulations, which is very good news for us. And regardless of wins, we're back in crypto. So Trump and Harris, regardless, let's not get emotional about it. I want Trump to win, quietly, but providing hope for clearer regulatory frameworks in the future. So it's 50-50, it seems, as long as those, those numbers aren't rigged. As of September 30th, data called from predictions market platform Polymarkets show that Kamala Harris is currently in the lead, with 50% of active cryptocurrency traders betting on this Democrat candidate against Trump, 49%. However, both Trump and Kamala Harris have promised a friendly stance towards the cryptocurrency sector during their admission. So there is no better time to invest in XRP. BitUnex is the best site. I trade every day, accumulating as much XRP as my wallet will allow me to do. It is a secure platform, very easy to use. The link is below the video. Do not miss out on the bull run, as it is going to happen whether we like it or not. So notably, XRP price and ecosystem growth was severely impeded as it struggled under prolonged legal battle against the US SEC under the President Biden regime over the last 4 years. But look, let's face it, Gary Gensler is doing a very good job at promoting Ripple and XRP in the courtroom, where he faces big questions against big judges, and he really doesn't have any answers. So the judges are looking into it, and I dare say they are investing themselves. They understand the true value of XRP and Ripple, and it is only going to take off. It has been highly advertised by the media, in which I don't think it was their aim, but it's kind of backfired on them in a sense. So hence the prospect of a more supportive regulatory environment looms from the United States presidential candidates now incentivize XRP investors to positioning themselves ahead of what could be a more crypto-friendly future after the November 2024 elections. So XRP price forecast at BitGet analyst hints 75-cent breakout ahead. Okay, this is a short-term prediction, far off my $1,000 prediction, which is going to happen. And the time of writing on September the 30th, XRP price has already tracked towards the 64-cent level. However, analysts at BitGet Exchange have hinted that the rally may advance further towards the 75-cent level in the weeks ahead. So, based on the technical analysis and market sentiment, XRP movements in October may fluctuate between 42 cents and 75 cents. Now, these are predictions in which no one really knows. But when you understand the technology of XRP and Ripple and why Japan's buying, why South Korea's backing it, why Turkey's getting involved, and why a lot of banks around the world in all 6 continents are partnering with Ripple and XRP, it makes sense. The puzzle is put together for you to have clarity as of why it is a good investment to make. Japan wouldn't make an investment if they didn't understand the technology. The technology is a hidden gem which is highly suppressed for a short period in time until the SEC battle is over. So given the extremely optimistic market sentiment, if there is the ongoing SEC appeal process yield a positive outcome, XRP may advance towards higher prices. Okay, we might rephrase that. It will advance towards higher prices. And however, short-term caution is due to potential market volatility triggered by early profit takers. So XRP price is likely to enter a mild correction before another leg up. That's someone's prediction once again. So from a technical perspective, the MACD, or the moving average divergence indicator, continues to show bullish momentum with a positive crossover in early September. The histogram's green bars indicates increasing buyer interest. There's a lot of interest out there, and you can see through the volume, the 24-hour volume, how big it is. Though the slight decrease in the latest bars signals potential short-term profit taking, which could cause a brief pullback before another leg up. So you got the graph down below. You can pause it if you want, and you can analyze it. But time is short, you see. So 2 key resistant levels to watch are 66 cents, which represents the high from the most recent price spike, and the 70 cents, a psychological level where a breakout could lead to further bullish momentum. If XRP can breach these levels, particularly if positive news from the ongoing SEC appeal surfaces, and I do think it's going to be positive, we may see the cryptocurrency push towards 75 cents and beyond. I reckon very much so, closer to $1, in which people have been commenting in the comments, $1 first. Okay, we'll get the dollar, it's happening. Okay, and we can move on to bigger things. On the support side, 60 cents is critical. If bulls manage to maintain this level, it would signal sustained upward momentum. Below the 53 cent offer additional support based on the parabolic SAR trend in the chart, which has shown steady upward movement since early September. In summary, XRP appears poised for continued upward momentum, assuming he holds support levels. However, volatility remains. Volatility is everywhere. So don't be scared of that. When people are fearful, it is a good time to invest. But when people are greedy, be fearful. And traders should stay cautious of potential corrections, particularly around major resistance points. Now, if you enjoyed the video, subscribe and make sure you hit the notification button, where we talk about all the articles which are released, and we dissect them and we dive deep into them, and we recorrect the editors and the writers. So, Crypto Spartacus, peace out.